Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation, designed to heal the hurts of racism, focused on the importance of acting on your values in the face of racism and discrimination, breaking the cycle of discrimination. By healing the hurts of racism, we can break the cycle of discrimination and prejudice that perpetuates inequality. This helps to create a more just society where future generations can grow up free from the burden of racism. Economic growth and innovation. A diverse and inclusive society fosters creativity, innovation, and economic growth. By healing the hurts of racism, we can tap into the full potential of our communities and contribute to the overall prosperity of our society. Global responsibility. In an increasingly interconnected world, addressing racism is a global responsibility. By working together to heal the hurts of racism, we can demonstrate our commitment to building a more just and equitable world for all. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress. As you breathe, allow your body to relax and your mind to become more focused on the present moment. Now bring your attention to your heart center. Imagine a warm, glowing light radiating from your heart, filling your entire being with love, compassion, and courage. Feel the warmth of this light empowering you to take a stand against racism and discrimination, guided by your core values. In this space of love, courage, and empowerment, let's practice 3 affirmations designed to help us act on our values in the face of racism and discrimination. Repeat each affirmation silently to yourself, or out loud if you feel comfortable. I have the strength and courage to stand up against racism and discrimination. My actions are guided by love, compassion, and a commitment to justice. I am a positive force for change, and my actions make a difference. Take a moment to reflect on each affirmation, allowing its message to resonate within you. As you do, continue to visualize the warm, glowing light emanating from your heart, filling you with the strength and courage needed to act on your values. Now, spend a few minutes envisioning yourself in situations where you might encounter racism or discrimination. See yourself responding with courage and compassion, guided by your core values. As you visualize these scenarios, feel the warmth of the light within your heart, reinforcing your commitment to stand up against injustice. Carry the warmth and connection you've cultivated during this meditation with you as you go about your day, knowing that you are part of a global community dedicated to healing the wounds of racism and fostering a more inclusive, compassionate world. Ultimately, healing the hurts of racism is essential for creating a society that values and respects all its members. By acknowledging the pain caused by racism, fostering understanding and compassion, and working together to address its root causes, we can build strong communities for us all.